This video will introduce some basic functions of ArcGIS Online, such as create map. To start with, you may log in to have full access to Map Viewer. Click Maps on the top left corner. And here is the new Map Viewer interface. To figure out what is the difference between new Map Viewer and Map Viewer Classic, you may watch our other videos. To create map, first click Base Map to select a base map you like. Then click Layers and search for a layer you want. Let's find the data related to public open space in ArcGIS Online as an example. Click Add to insert the layer. You can also find web maps or layers created by you or your members in My Content or My Organization. To change color, size, or shape of a layer, you can click Style on the right toolbar. To view the layer content, click Show Table. If you want to present a focus view of data in a specific area, you can use filters in Map Viewer. Click Filter on the right toolbar. Add Expression. Choose Relevant District Council. Click Replace and choose Ranchai. Then click Save to show only the open space in Ranchai District. You can also make a shortcut to places on the map by using Bookmark. Click Bookmarks and Add Bookmark. Enter a title for the bookmark, then click Add. It allows you to zoom to the previous location you have created a bookmark for when you get lost on the map. To save your map, click Save As. Type a title, text that describes the map, and click Save Map. You can also share a map to other members within your organization or everyone. Finally, go to Home page. Click Content to reveal files that you or other members have created and shared.